This video will talk through the customer order stock detail list. From within the back office functionality, navigate to the menu and select Customers, Receipts and Orders. Click Customer Orders Stock Detail. This shows a list of all the items that are currently on open orders. It shows basic information like the customer name, item details and stock availability. This example is in green because there is enough stock to fulfill the open orders. Click the Column Select button. This enables the addition of more columns. For example, the department can be added by dragging and dropping onto the headers. This gives the ability to filter by department. Clicking the Open Order button will open the order within the point of sale. Clicking the customer name will show all customer details. Clicking on the item lookup code will open the item card. Clicking View Edit Order Comment and/or Order Notes gives the ability to add comments or notes to that order, or adjust existing notes. Click Save. Click Close.